All right, so this one was a little bit scary. Had this trailer hooked to our RV. I was going to a race and was in a hurry, didn't check to see the size of the ball, and actually had too small of a ball. Getting it there was okay and everything, didn't have any issue. Got there, was unloading the Miata out of the back of it, and as the Miata transitioned onto the ramp, front of this 29-foot long trailer shot from the sky. And I was picturing in my mind all kinds of damage to the RV and everything when that happened. But fortunately, the trailer didn't move forward at all because the ramp kind of pinched it in place. And I was able to get the car the rest of the way off and lower it as slow as I could. So it didn't do any damage to the trailer, and fortunately didn't do any damage to the RV. I now do something whenever I'm unloading or loading a trailer that makes it so that that's impossible to happen, and it's just a good safety idea, and I'm going to show you what that is. Pretty simple concept, really. Just take an old scissors jack and put it under your frame at the back of the trailer. Takes all the stress off the tongue and the ball of your trailer. Makes it a heck of a lot safer for loading and unloading your vehicles, or if you have to be loading heavier loads. And again, can be done with any trailer. Just a good idea to put that in there. And even better, when you have it on the tongue jack like this, you can actually take a little bit of a strain between the front and the rear, and it makes it so you can load and unload without even having hooked your vehicle. And of course, for safety's sake, make sure that you have your wheel chocks in place. You don't want to have this thing moving in any direction. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you out there.